Hi, welcome to the Bible in Hebrew How-To video series. My name is Bettina, and in this tutorial, I'll show you how to best use the audio features. When you begin using BibleInHebrew.com, the first 5 verses of Genesis are selected by default. Notice the green speaker icons on the right of each verse. The big speaker plays Hebrew narration for that verse,
ויאמר אלוהים, יהי אור, ויהי אור.
and the smaller speaker plays each syllable in that verse, one by one in a sequence.
ויאמר אלוהים.
On a computer, you can hover your mouse over any Hebrew syllable and it will sound it out for you. Tapping the Hebrew with your finger on a phone, tablet, or other mobile device will produce the same result. To edit your audio settings, click on the speaker icon in the Features menu. To turn verse audio narration or syllable audio off, simply uncheck the boxes and the audio players will disappear, leaving the Hebrew and other text on the scroll. Check the boxes again and the audio players reappear. As you can see, there are a few other features to examine. The single and all radio buttons refer to the ability to play one verse on its own or listen to the whole range of verses in a sequence. Turning on loop audio allows you to continuously play one or multiple verses, depending on the radio button selected. The highlight text feature controls whether or not you want to see the Hebrew turn red while showing the syllables pop up visually. When it's off, the Hebrew will remain black when you play a verse's narration.
ויאמר אלוהים, יהי אור, ויהי אור.
Playback rate controls the speed of both the Hebrew narration and the syllable reader. Drag the slider to the right for fast and left for slow. Finally, in the syllable audio section, you can choose between a male or female voice reading the syllables out for you. Feel free to play around with these audio features and see which ones work best for your needs. If you have any questions or comments, send us your feedback by clicking here and filling out the simple message form, or email us at support@BibleInHebrew.com. Thank you for watching.